Red flags when buying an X-ray machine. Not every X-ray deal is what it seems. Here are the warning signs every electronics manufacturer should recognize and why they matter. So let's start with red flag number 1. No proof that the X-ray machine can handle your boards. If the vendor can't demo a scan on boards like yours, same thickness, copper density, and component mix, well, that's a bad sign. Many general-purpose systems stall on higher layer or heavy copper PCBs. Red flag number 2, outdated or manual software. If the interface looks 10 years old or the inspection relies on human eyes on every joint, your throughput and consistency will tank. Modern systems use automated void detection, pattern recognition, and report generation. Red flag number 3, throughput claims that defy physics. I love this one. 1,000 boards per hour sounds great until you realize that's for a single layer panel with no BGAs. Realistically, throughput depends on the scan resolution, sample complexity, and operator handling. Red flag number 4, no clear service or spare parts plan, right? Well, if the vendor can't name a local field engineer or commit to parts availability, expect weeks of downtime. X-ray tubes, X-ray detectors, and motion controllers are where items support isn't optional. Red flag number 5, vague safety or shoulder information. If they hand wave radiation compliance, walk away. The true industrial systems list shielding thickness, certification standards, and require facility measures. Operator safety is regulated, not negotiable. Red flag number 6, locked down proprietary architecture. If you can't upgrade the detector, add computer tomography later, or export images, you're buying a dead end. You're buying a very expensive bolt anchor. Open architecture means longevity. Closed systems mean forced obsolescence. Red flag number 7, no verified compliance. Every legitimate X-ray system carries US FDA certifications and European certifications. No label, no paperwork, no deal. Very simple. Red flag number 8, data you can't use. If the system can't export images, reports, or logs to your MES or QMS, it's a blind spot in your quality process. Traceability is a requirement, not a luxury. Red flag number 9, refurbished without documentation. Well, if they can't provide tube hours, maintenance logs, or OEM certification, assume you're buying used problems. Refurbs can be great deals out there when they can be verified. Finally, red flag number 10, no real-world references. If the vendor can't name installations in aerospace, medical device, or automotive, industries that live and die by inspection, that's a red flag. Ask for similar customers, similar volume, and actual results. So every one of these red flags connects to real costs, downtime, compliance risk, and scrap. A good X-ray machine reveals the truth inside your products. A bad one exposes what's missing in your buying process. For more industry insights, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.